In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the grille on the front of this Chevy Silverado. Let's get started. To start, we have to remove this plastic cover here. It's just held on with a lot of push clips, so let's get all of those out so we can pull the cover off. This is what they look like. You can stick a trim tool in here, pop the center up, and then remove the rest of the push clip. Just go around and take out all of them. Now remove this. Now there are 4 10mm bolts that go along the top. Let's remove all 4. There's 1 in each corner. And 2 in the middle, right beside the hood latch. Now the top of the grille should want to move out a little bit. Behind the grille, you'll see some retainers that look like this. You can grab pliers and reach behind here, pinch it right in the center. As you pinch it, slide the grille out, just like that. There's one on the other side of the hood latch support as well. It goes right through here. Pop that one out the same exact way. And if you look down, you'll see more of those retainers. There are 2 in the middle, right below the ones we just popped out. And then there are 2 on the sides, 1 on each corner. Let's get all 4 out and the grille should pop off. Oh, 4th one is actually broken for me. So there's the grille, but now we have to actually transfer the badge, emblem, nameplate, whatever you want to call it. We have to transfer this over to the new grille. So let me show you how to do that. There are 3 clips or tabs that hold the emblem onto the grille, 1 in the middle and 1 on each side. Take a pocket screwdriver or whatever you have that'll pry these in and down and just pop this out. Try not to pry too much if it's stuck because it will break. Just work it back and forth. And there it is. Let's put it on the new grille. Take the emblem, line it up, and press it on. Now on these tabs, it's time to put on new retainers. Your grille should come with them. This is what they look like. And as you can see, they have some tabs here, 4 of them to be specific. And sometimes you might actually need to spread them apart a little bit. I did that to this one because as you can see, they are fairly tight and they will not actually slide over these plastic tabs. You can also put a little bit of grease on here, which is what I did to help it slide down. But if you open them up just a little bit with whatever you might have, a pair of pliers or stick a chisel down there just a little bit. You don't want to bend them too far because they won't grab, but they will still mold basically to this, and they should bite on once they bottom out so that the clip doesn't pop off of here. Having said that, I'm going to take this one and slide it down. It's still going to be tough because, well, it needs to bite on nice and tight so that it actually stays secure. If you need help from a rubber mallet, use something very small and be very gentle. You don't want to break anything. Once this has bottomed out, do the same to all the other ones. Now take your grille, line it all up, make sure it's lined up, otherwise when you press it on, the tabs will snap off, break, and then you'll need a new grille. Once everything is lined up, press it into place. You'll hear all those clips that we put on snap and lock in. Put the top bolts back in. When you put them in, press the grille into the support here, into this bracket, so that it can sit nice and flush. And the 2 bolts on the side. Press the grille in. Other side. And there you have it. Bring this back over and line it up. Now just reattach it with all the push clips that you took out. And there you go, grille is replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.